Clean this room.
No, everywhere now is tidy. I mean, rough. Look at what you are drinking. Everywhere is full. So I don't know how I can keep on waiting for you for more than a week now. I've been talking to you to move out. I said I want to pay the house rent for this place, and somebody's coming to pay. You mean if somebody comes here and see this kind of thing inside this room, the person will agree to pay.
That's why I'm cleaning the room.
If you keep on delaying it and you're not paying me any money,
I want to clean the room, not you. Please leave me this job.
Leave quick job. I talked to you 3 days ago. You say you clean it. I talked to you 4 days ago. You say you clean it. Yesterday the same thing. Must I be talking to you every day? I provided for you downstairs.
We talk yesterday.
No, I provided for you downstairs where you can stay. For now, because throughout this week, throughout this month, you never paid me anything, and you keep on saying that you will pay. You pay. You don't want to pay, but you have money to be buying all these drinks and be drinking every day? No. And when you finish drinking, I will lose my television and lose my TV box, lose a lot of things. I can't continue like that. No. If you want to be good for yourself, you be good for yourself so that people will accept you. Yeah, but if you keep on drinking, and messing around the house, no way. It's not going to happen. Look at the bucket we are using in the bathroom. Why did you bring it down here? And you are messing the rug. The rug is being rough now.
I borrowed because I need.
You need what? You need bucket.
Bucket to clean the house.
Clean the house. Bucket to clean the house.
Yeah.
So what have you done so far? What have you done so far with the bucket? You are busy drinking. No, it's not gonna happen. I need to move all these things, both all this gin and all. This gin is not supposed to be upstairs because it weakened.
Maybe this guy wanted to eat the gym and ask him.
Who?
That guy was coming tomorrow on this room and
Lucas, you need to leave. You need to move all your things downstairs there. You need to move there so that I can prepare this room for the next person. I need money. I need to pay this house rent.
I know.
I don't want to, because of you, lose this house. No, it's not gonna happen. That's what I'm telling you. So
why me lose house?
Because you don't want to pay. Have you paid any money? Sorry?
I haven't money to pay. That's why.
No, you don't have money. You don't have money. Your friend who brought you here say you should give me money. Have you given me any money? You never given me any money. So why are you saying that you have money? Yesterday you told me that you paid £500 somewhere, and now you are still telling me that you have money, but you never paid me. This is end of the month now. You haven't given me anything. You keep 100. On promising. How can you have money to drink all these things, to buy all these things and be drinking, but you don't have money to look after yourself? To respect yourself.
Yeah, I know, but
no, I cannot lose this house because of you. I want to clean the house now. The room.
That's why I clean.
You will not clean it because I've been talking to you to clean. Yeah, but start.
I cleaning this night after noon. I take all the stuff outside to the bin there.
This has been like this.
Leave the bottles, alcohol bottles in your room.
But I give you bin bag. I give you this bin bag.
I got
3 days ago.
I got stronger one.
I give you this bin bag 3 days ago to start moving things, but you still leave everything here, drinking and trying to kill yourself. Man, you need to start packing things. You need to start packing things because I wouldn't want the person
tomorrow
who
morning.
No, tomorrow morning is too far. It's too far. It's too far. It has to be done.
Can move the stuff.
Yes, start putting it in the bin bag. Start putting all these things in the bin bag now. Start putting it in the bin bag. I don't want all these things to remain here. When the person that will bring money will come, how would he believe that this room is available? He will not believe that the room is available, and he will go with his money. And when he goes with money, where will I get money to pay the house rent? So you need to start packing this so that when the person comes, he will see the room available to pay. That's what I mean. Because if if this thing stays like this, I won't be happy with you. I have tried enough to allow you to stay a month now, and you have not given me anything. So how would that be? It's not gonna happen. Me too, I'm not working. I've not worked for 1 month now. So where will I get the money? Somebody's bringing the money to pay the house rent. And you are telling me that
I know, that's
no, you cannot be here drinking and chasing people away. That's what I mean.
Drinking water.
If you're not gonna do anything, I'm gonna do it myself the way I want it, and you will not like it. So you better respect yourself now. I'm telling you, better respect yourself, because when I start doing my own, you will not like me. I've talked to you severally. When I keep talking to you, you keep on drinking. Why? Where do you get money to? To drink all these things? You have money to drink, but you don't have money to pay your house rent. What is the meaning of that life?
That's I not pay for everything.
I have finished saying my own now, but I need to give you maybe this afternoon or tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. Today.
Please leave the phone down.
Eh?
You recording me or what?
Record you? And if I record you, what's the problem?
Okay.
Di Cannavaro, palla tagliata, messa fuori, c'è Pirlo, ancora Pirlo di tetto, tiro, gol!